Hi guys! Here we are again, Dad&ally Cooks. Today tayo ay magluluto ng isang napakabilis at napakasimpleng lutuin. Ito ang kare-kare con bagnet. And here are the ingredients. Nandyan ang bagnet, peanuts, pork cubes, onions, garlic, peanut butter, spicy bagoong, mamasitas kare-kare mix, pechay, talong, at ang ating sitaw. All approved by Boss Ali. So let's start cooking! Ang una po natin gagawin ay ipiprito natin ang ating mani na may konting bawang. We'll fry our peanuts and garlic for about 1 to 2 minutes. And after natin siyang maprito, ilalagay natin siya sa ating dikdikan o mortar and pestle para durugin ng medyo pino, because this will make a very delicious and special taste sa ating kare-kare. After doing our peanuts, we will put it in a small bowl and we'll set it aside first. So ayan, pinainit na natin ang ating kawali. We will put 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Sisimulan na natin ang ating paggisa. Uunahin natin ang ating bawang or garlic. Again, fry it for a few seconds to a minute. Okay, and after that, isusunod naman natin ang ating onions or sibuyas. Igisa lang natin sila ng maayos. Okay. Tapos, isusunod na natin ang ating bagnet. Iniwan na natin ang ating bagnet ng bite-sized slices para mas madali itong kainin. By the way guys, bagnet or crispy pork belly, also known as chicharon in Ilocano, consisting of pork belly seasoned with garlic, black peppercorns, bay leaves, and salt. Isipin na lang natin kung gaano siya kasarap. And to think, it is our main ingredient. Wow! Sobrang sarap nito. So we'll only fry it for about 1 to 2 minutes dahil luto na siya. Okay. And then after that, ilalagay na natin ang ating dinurog na mani or crushed peanuts. Okay. And then, i-mix lang natin ng konti. After ng peanuts, ilalagay naman natin ngayon ang ating bagoong. We've just added spicy bagoong para magkaroon ng konting anghang or spice ang ating kare-kare. Okay, after mixing, ilalagay naman natin ngayon ang ating dinisolve na mamasitas kare-kare mix. Mamasitas kare-kare mix will give a delicious and an added texture and of course, a tasty creamy sauce sa ating lutuin. Ayan, so we'll mix it again. Okay. After ng ating kare-kare mix, isusunod naman natin ilagay ang ating peanut butter. Okay. Peanut butter will add a little bit of sweetness sa ating lutuin and mas may enhance pa niya yung lasa ng peanut dito sa ating sauce and sa ating entire na lutuing kare-kare. Ayan, ang sarap-sarap na ng amoy. Nag-mix na lahat yung flavors and ingredients doon sa ating bagnet. So after sauteing, frying, and mixing, we will cover it and we will simmer it in slow heat. Again, slow cook to perfection po tayo. And we will do this for about 3 to 5 minutes only. So after 5 minutes, it seems na luto na siya. And makikita na natin na napakaganda na talaga ng kanyang texture. So at this moment, pwede na nating ilagay ang ating healthy veggies gaya ng ating sitaw or string beans. Scattered lang natin siya. And then, ang ating talong or eggplant. Okay. Hindi natin siya masyadong hahaluin. Okay, konti lang. And then, we will cover it again. And we will simmer it for around 2 to 3 minutes in slow heat. Diyan na maluluto yung ating sitaw and talong. So after 3 minutes, eto na siya. And ilalagay na natin ang ating pechay. And pechay will make our kare-kare con bagnet na lutuin. Okay, so we will cover it. And dyan na maluluto yung ating pechay. And guys, we're done! And we'll transfer it sa ating serving bowl. And then, i-add natin ang 3 slices ng bagnet. And here it is, kare-kare con bagnet, our own version.
Please like this video. If you have comments or reactions or suggestions, kindly comment down below. If you want more yummy and exciting videos, kindly click the subscribe button and hit the bell button for you to be updated on our upcoming videos.
Thanks for watching. Bye!